welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, we'll be learning how to cut a camisole or an inner dress that can be worn with a lace or an abaya. So let's get to the video. I have already folded my fabric into 4. So now I'll input my horizontal measurements, which is the waistline and the armhole line. So that's the starting point there. That's the armhole line and that's the waistline. It's a free dress, so it doesn't require a hip measurement. So the first thing I'll do now is to input my shoulder measurement plus ½ of an inch. So whatever I have on the shoulder measurement, I'll put it on the armhole measurement. Then I'll rule a straight line so I can draw my armhole curve. After that, I come down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope. My neck width, I made use of 3 inches for my neck width. Then I'll use a ruler to connect the points together. So now I have my shoulder slope or my shoulder slant. Then for the neck width, my back neck width, I made use of 3 inches. Then the front neck width, I made use of 4.5 inches. Then after that, I'll connect it with my curve, both the front and the back, to meet the neck width. Remember, both the front and the back neck width must be the same. Then for the armhole, I measured the half of the armhole I have, which is 3.5 inches. I went in by ½ inch. Then I drew a straight line back to the shoulder slant. Then I used an armhole curve to finish the curve. And this is how the armhole looks like. So the next thing we are going to do now is to input our measurements. My bust measurement is 7 inches plus 1 inch for ease, making 8, and another 1 inch for sewing allowance. I have 10 inches in total. Then I'll come down to the waist and minus 1 inch from the bust measurement, which is 9 inches. Sorry. Then I'll use a longer ruler to connect it all the way to the hem line. Remember, I said there's no hip measurement. And this is how it looks like. After that, I'll start cutting, starting from the back neck all the way to the armhole. And after cutting, the next thing to do now is to shape the hem line to avoid the pointy edge at the end. So I'll measure what I have on the hem line. I think I have 15 inches. Half of 15 inches is 7.5. Whatever you have, you input the half of it. Then from the edge, like so, you go up by 1.5 inches or 1 inch, highest 2 inches. Then you use a curve ruler to just give it a curve like that. Then you cut it out. This is how it looks like after cutting out. This is it. So the next thing for us to do is to cut out the front neck. So for the sewing part, the first thing I'm going to do is to join my shoulders. Join the two pieces together, that is the front and the back. You place them right side to right side. You join the shoulder with ½ of an inch before using a bias tape to tape the neck. I have done that already. This is how it looks like. I also went ahead to bias the armhole. You can see. So after that, we'll just go ahead to the machine to sew, to shape the clothes with 1 inch. Remember, we added 1 inch while cutting, and we are done with the dress. After stitching with 1 inch, you just hem it, and this is how it looks like. Thank you for watching till the end. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.